Mini Pagi oh. Pagi pa rin ba yan?
Yeah, stingray.
Ay, isda ba yan?
Oo, nakastock sila.
Bakit?
I think it's albino. Albino.
Shark ba yan? Okay lang ba kayo dyan?
Back, relax, and get ready to learn more about these incredible reptiles as we bring them out for a closer
Hindi ba yun yung nagano
So
kanina sa
without
kabila?
further ado,
Ba yun?
let's dive into the world of reptiles. Today, I have with me a creature that's like a
Wala,
living
papato sa'yo.
relic of the age of dinosaurs, the green iguana. Scientific name
Ano,
is
laki, papato sa'yo.
iguana.
Nawa kami tusok na.
Present to you, our bearded dragon.
Ayun yung kanina yung nawakan mo.
The next animal you're about to see is very tame, very soft, very friendly, and very lovable. There she is! Our ball python! Your scientific name is Python regius, also called as
Ahas.
the royal python. As we
Ay, pa ito na.
the West and East Africa. Last question. Are you afraid of snakes? Okay, that's good. Put your hands like this. Look at that camera. Smile. So everyone, please remain your seat because we still have a sea lion show and all-star bird show.
Ayun yung creepy.
Hello everyone and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Regine. Kumantas now, find an object for us.
Galing umaya na siya.
Trainers ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ball. Followed by Sassy.
Go, Rocky!
Second ball for Rocky.
Wala na si Sassy mo! Mahina si Sassy mo! Pagod!
Rocky wins! Are we ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky.
Rocky! Rocky! Ala, galaw niya lahat! Doyo! Matalino siya pero mabagal na.
Just like Sassy, Reno was from South America and the dental giant of the family. It is because they're the second largest next to the seeds, grass, soap, minerals along the river banks. And for the shake, let's go, Sassy Girl. And there you go. And talagang right na tapos na Sassy with Trainer Pina. Trainer Bird is rock ready. Come on up, please soak and coochie for us. And Rocky gets the first number correct. So on the second number. Well, Rocky loves numbers.
Even time to a beat of a song while you're singing along. Harmonize.
And he gets the number 7. So 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Round of applause for Rocky with Trainer Bird.
Give it up for our Sea Lion friends. Here we go. Hello everyone. Wow, what a beautiful entrance. Good day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for Sea Lion friends? Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight, but no color visions. In the wild, may inhabit waters close to shore, flat rocky cliffs with typhoons, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Well, check this out. Surely strong front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Isis, the prettiest. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you, Isis and Trainer AJ. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, ready Sandra? 25 miles per hour. That was so fast. How about a round of applause for Sandra, the prettiest? Wow, nice night, girl. Alright, ladies trainers, are you ready? Well then, salute. Now, let's march. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute. Okay, trainers, what first? The ring. Go ahead and get the ring. Sea Lion, friends. And they got it. How about a round of applause for Isis and Sandra? So, trainers, what next? The ball. How do you think they get the balls? It's a ball balance. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Careful. Steady it. Fantastic. How about a round of applause for Sea Lion friends? Okay, let's wait for Sandra. Go, Sandra. Careful. Almost there, Sandra. Fantastic. Hit it, maestro. Let's move it. Clap your hands, everybody, come on!
madulas yun.
And the Flipper dancing. Rock and roll, Isis. Into the water ballet. Twist it and turn it. What a beautiful twisting, Sandra. And around the world we'll go. Round and round. On the other side, round and round. Okay, ladies, show them the boogie boogie. Boogie boogie, shake, shake, shake. Our favorite part, the booty shaking. Shake those booties. Go, trainers. Yeah, and keep on rolling. Okay, ladies, show them what you got. People of the crowd, ready your camera because this is the best part. Steady it. Arriba! And for the finale.
Laban na sila.
Steady it. Let's go. Round of applause for Sea-Lion Friends and the trainers as well for the great dance number. It's surreal. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friends, the South American Sea Lions, Isis and Sandra. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember, what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like many marine animals, cannot survive a trash-filled environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are steward of our planet, and thus each one of us must do what we can to protect and preserve all inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Isis and Trainer David, Sandra and Trainer Albert, all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our sea lion friends. Bye! By the way, guys, if you love some souvenir pictures with birds, please approach our friendly photographer at the exit area. And again, thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sea Lion!